Assalamu alaikum guys, Bilal, Sayeed here, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are in the one and only Qatar. We're on holiday today. We are with no other than...
Wait, did you see me before then?
You're at the door.
Huh?
Shafi.
Yes.
Do you want to introduce yourself?
Do I need to intro?
Huh? Do you need an intro, you know?
No, I'm joking.
Shall I introduce you?
God no.
So Shafi
Because I get a bit of camera shot, that's the thing, innit?
Yeah, so Shafi is one of my friends that I've known him for a really long time. But we've recently gotten close.
Yeah.
And we decided to go on a little holiday.
Yeah, holiday, man.
Because we need it.
That's it. Well, look where we are now, Qatar.
Qatar, you can't see it's a bit
40
obvious.
degrees.
Guys, I don't know what we're gonna do. 40 degrees, bismillah. But let it be motivation that Jahannam's hotter. But we're just gonna grab some breakfast. If you're wondering where the t-shirt's from, by the way, guys, it's a serious t-shirt, you know. Let's see if I can get a reflection. It says, Man Rabbuka, which translates to, yes, who is your Lord? So if you want that t-shirt, Ihsan Society, here's a link right here. We're just gonna grab breakfast. We'll see you guys in a bit. The plan for today, according to Mr. Shafi over here,
I didn't really know.
we're gonna. Nah, you're the Amir. By the way, guys, it's sunnah to have an Amir when you're traveling with a group. So always elect a leader that can make the final decision. Just as we have governments and just as we have the man of the house, it's good to have an Amir of the group. But I think we're gonna do the National Museum of Qatar today, and then inshallah some sort of water activity in it, jet skiing. We've not been outside yet though, so I don't know what to expect, but yeah man, that's the plan. So before we do go though, these lot are gonna have a gym session. I'm gonna do mine at night, so we'll see you in the gym and then we'll make ways. Let's go. Also guys, what do you think of the new crepes? A little birthday present. So the outfit of the day includes some like dad shorts, 3/4 because we got to cover the knees, and then that top that I showed you guys, and some shoes. Let's go. We need to introduce you to the characters of the story. We've got Safe.
He's like a bad camera shot as well.
And we have Mr. Kadri over here. Where is he? He's saying Kadri, you right?
Yeah, good.
Alhamdulillah. We're just gonna go gym and then we're gonna head off.
Oh, time to get busy.
Time to get that pump for the photos, is that what you say?
Busy.
But yeah guys, this is the gym. You got your basics, so it's not too bad.
You're just gonna be PT me today, yeah?
Huh?
You're just gonna be my PT today.
Guys, personal training by Kadri.
How much are you gonna charge me? I'd say about £20 an hour.
Yeah, Kadri, you're training him sick, you know. Kadri straight in with the 18s.
Okay, you can be humble, yeah?
You're sharp, you're moving kind of bowler, you know.
Alhamdulillah, had a good session.
Okay.
Say mashallah.
You know what they call him? The Mauritian Hulk. What? This is the swimming pool, guys. Yo, it's hot. Yo, I'm gonna stand in the sun to see how hot it actually is. Because if this is the shade, bro, I'm finished. So guys, it's like 40 degrees, but I'm in the shade, right? And I'm hot. And if I stand in the sun, I mean it's bearable, but forget about it. It's alright, I can get used to it. Oh my god.
Do you think Apple Watch goes with it?
Apple Watch goes with everything. I'm liking the t-shirt.
You like it?
Where's it from?
Boom.
That's hard.
Oh, this is terrible, man.
Yeah, y'all be looking too fly, man.
Yo.
Alhamdulillah.
Skin glowing, vitamin D.
Wish we were here in the World Cup, man. Alright guys, we are approaching our destination. Guys, we're here, man. Yo! Look at the architecture and that. That's crazy. What's going on, guys? So behind me we have the National Museum of Qatar. It's crazy. The architecture is wild. I haven't had a moment to appreciate it, but yo. This guy's modeling already, you know. Guys, the architecture is wild. Dinosaurs and that. And we've got a big shark there. Yo, Fifi. This is actually really good. Social media, guys. Guys, fun fact about me, yeah, when I was a kid, I was a shark fanatic. Great white shark, hammerhead shark, that's crazy. I don't really like museums. I don't think museums are like it's not a me thing. But this one, caught my attention. Like the architecture, the whole culture, and it literally went from like the cave times to modern times, so the history of Qatar culture. But yeah, now we're gonna head back to the hotel, eat something. I need to get swimming shorts because I forgot it. And then we're gonna do some jet skiing, inshallah. Let's go. Guys, that's that stadium, man. The one with the, what do you call it? The crates? No, the containers. Yeah, that's it.
That's the Qatari skyline. Yo, proper Dubai vibes. Yo, these buildings are sick. I just love the aesthetic, man. So we decided to come to some fish place. I don't know what to get though. Alright guys, so I got myself some salmon. You get that protein in. You got yourself sushi. What you got? Chicken nugget?
Crispy calamari.
Oh, calamari.
I got the same thing. Sushi.
Okay.
Charab Al Medina. What was it called again? Chabra. Chabra. Oh, what's the name? Guys, wait. Chabra Al Mina. Guys, Chabra Al Mina, what an amazing place. The service, like, I've been to a few restaurants in my life, yeah, I'll be real with you. But this was banging. Like, the actual salmon that I had was banging. And these I can all vouch that their sushi was banging as well. Was the sushi banging?
If you like seafood, yeah, come to this place. Really good.
Shafi, was your food banging?
Bro, 10-10 man.
10-10.
Sushi, I put him on sushi as well.
10-10 guys.
First time having sushi.
We in Qatar, baby. We in Qatar, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Pretty nice.
What's going on, guys? So we're on the jet skis, alhamdulillah. As you can see, we're vibing. We've got Safe over there. I did this in Dubai, but I lost all my footage, so alhamdulillah, I'm glad that I can get it again. Behind me, I've got that stadium that they played at in the World Cup. Sunset, vibes, alhamdulillah, man. They don't get too close, bro. But yeah, guys, we're gonna have some fun. And inshallah, I will see you guys in a bit. One thing I love about Qatar and any Arab country is there's a prayer room everywhere you go. Alhamdulillah. Alright guys, so we got our dinner. Yo, that's serious, Shafi.
Come on.
Come on. What'd you get?
That's crazy. Your man's laughing at your meal, bro.
I'm not laughing at your meal. I'm just laughing at Safe. It's just funny. Sorry, man. But yeah. What's going on, guys? Alhamdulillah, day 2. The plan for today is Banana Island, inshallah. So we're gonna be going there right now. To get there, we have to go on a boat, and then from that boat, we're there. We're just gonna chill. I don't know what to expect, so we'll take you guys with us, inshallah. This is the outfit for the day. I just showed you a lot of mess. This is not representative of how we are in real life. Kadri, you ready, yeah?
Yeah, really.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for, right? Yeah, look, my guy's tripped out. I'm in helping the Ray-Ban, everything.
Cheers! We're just waiting now. You guys excited, yeah?
Come on. Let's go, man. Can't wait.
So we're on the boat.
Man's looking fire today, bro.
I can't lie, actually
Allah
I saw you.
Allah Mabarak.
MashaAllah, Allah Mabarak. We're on the way to Banana Island.
Bro, this is the moment we've all been waiting for, innit? Literally.
We came Qatar just for this.
Exactly, just for this.
Not just for this, but
To be fair, we're gonna get some fire content.
inshallah.
Yeah.
Let's make it awkward for you.
Bro, relax.
I'm joking. Wow, what a view. We're here, guys. Alhamdulillah. Alright, guys, so we're in Banana Island, as you can see. That's that. Looking forward to it, lads.
Come on.
Let's go.
Banana Island and that. Yo, we got some bloom effect here because of the steam. So basically, guys, when we go from hot to cold to hot, the camera goes steamy, but look, it looks hard.
Yeah, bro,
So
even my islands go steamy.
Same.
That's how hot it is.
My glasses are steamy as well. But yo, you got a nice pina colada, yeah?
Bro, this
Jeez.
actually banging. I'm
Bro,
not
you
gonna
look
lie.
like a vibe.
Huh?
You look like...
Yeah, I swear they
A model.
put some Ux in here.
Huh?
I feel a bit tipsy already.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so we've been in the water. Alhamdulillah, the water's really, really nice. Really, really calm, serene. But it's very hot. Like, very, very, very hot, guys. I can't understand. Like, my feet right now are burning. It's got like Maldives vibes. Nice, right? It's the beach. We had our swim, alhamdulillah. Obviously can't record it because don't want to get no equipment wet. Yeah, I'm getting like Maldives vibes. Mark's already said that. But now we're gonna do the banana boat. Then inshallah we will maybe do some bowling.
Kadri, how was that?
Experience was really good.
That was wild, man.
wild.
I'm the one who
I
fell
had
off.
Bilal falling off.
Thank you very much.
That was wild, bro.
Huh?
Honestly, man. The way you fell off is a bit mad. Still
I
can't
fell
lie.
off, man. I'm the one that fell off. Of all people, I'm the one that fell off.
I didn't expect you to fall off.
Who were you expected to fall off?
I was expecting Shafi to fall off.
I
Shafi.
thought I was gonna fall off, can't lie.
You?
Yeah, I thought I was gonna fall off.
You almost fell off.
I almost fell off, but you fell off.
Bro, I was horrendous, man.
That was a mad experience. Ali over here threw me off, but it's okay, you know. We got life jackets, we're safe. But wallahi, that was so much fun, man. That was so much fun. I enjoyed it. I had fun. I think it tops jet skiing. What do you think?
I think so.
Do you think it tops jet skiing?
Definitely.
Guys, if you get a chance to do like this donut thing, do it, man. You're gonna have bare fun. Alright guys, lunch is served. I should have got a burger, man. That's Banana Island pretty much done, wrapped up. We had fun, man. You know what? I need to get a GoPro, man, because if I had got a GoPro, we'd have been able to capture just how funny I fell off. Like, it was actually bare funny. It's the way I flipped over, apparently. So yeah, guys, now we're gonna kill a bit of time. We have to head out at 5:30. For those of you interested in Banana Island, it's about £70, £77 in September, and then you get like food included within a certain amount, an activity included within a certain amount. You get access to the pools, the beach, the boat ride, and it's from 9 o'clock till 5:30, which is sick. Yo, this is a sick shot. I'm a bit dizzy now, wallah. But yeah, guys, we're just gonna go back to the hotel, rest a bit, cool down a bit, and then we're gonna go to a place called Dave's Chicken. We've been recommended it, we're gonna go. What's going on, guys? So we decided to come to a shooting range. It's called, what's it called again? Al-Shadaf. Al-Hadaf. Or Al-Hadaf shooting range. Personally, they're a bit pricey, but I wanna do it. So we're gonna do it. Jeez. Finally, guys, we've been told to come here by like 77 people. So let's see what this is about. Are they even open? Also, guys, the shooting range was fun, man. Obviously, it was a lot quicker than we thought, but for me, it's a good day, and alhamdulillah, like, today's been very fun. But now we're gonna get some food, and we need to watch the United Bayern game. If you're watching this, you already know the score. Dave's Hot Chicken, let's go. But yeah, guys, back to what I was saying. Alhamdulillah, we have to thank Allah in our happy times and in our sad times. Today's a happy day, a good day, and I thank Allah for giving us the opportunity to have the fun that we had today. I've not been able to show you guys because I need to get a GoPro, but really happy, alhamdulillah. Now we're just ending the day with some nice fried chicken for them gains. How was the shooting?
Bro, it was immaculate, man. I can only say good words about it. Positive feedback.
And yourself?
It's too good, bro.
What drink did you log, yeah?
I got Fanta strawberry.
I got water.
This is the munch, guys.
Oh, where's yours? Breakfast again, standard. Day 3.
Feels like day 7, innit?
Innit? Feels like we've been here long, man. We've been having the same breakfast every day. I don't mind, I can't lie. So it's day 3 of our trip here in Qatar. It feels like it's been a week, and I think that's just the barakah of waking up early, starting your day early and getting things done early. So alhamdulillah, we've reached day 3. Today is going to be a very chill day because obviously, unfortunately, I couldn't show you guys how we all were yesterday when we were on that donut boat thingy. Like, it's like all this hurts, all this just kills. So today we're not going to be doing no activities, but we're going to be doing some sightseeing. So plan today is we're going to hit up Souq Waqif, it's like a marketplace, and then from there we're going to try and go to the Islamic Art Museum, and then from there we're going to go Pearl Island, I think, inshallah, we'll see, and then obviously find some food in between. So that's the plan for today. Now just a quick pause before I continue the vlog. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so that you can find out when I post next, inshallah. Also, guys, this is the outfit. I'm wearing some mint green trousers. Not these are getting a trim on holiday.
Come on, standard.
I don't look fresh.
No, just a bit of context. This guy didn't get a trim for like 4 months, yeah? Just to save it for holiday. And now he's getting one a week after. And he's actually getting a trim, you know. You're a different man. Alright guys, so we're in Souq Waqif. Sophia's just smelling some food. It's like Al Sif in Dubai. It's got that very old, dusky vibe going. So guys, we're just at a museum having a look at the different Islamic artifacts and whatnot. Just a different variety of things, cutlery, pottery. Not really my scene, but it's interesting to see. So these are one of the door textiles of the Kaaba. Very beautiful. And just different artworks. You know this building, it looks like it was made using Minecraft because it's all like very blocky. Like if you look at those staircases, It's just blocky. You know what I think? I think that haircut is a work of art. Go on, let's see the fade. Don't cut yourself. Mr. Shaf over here. Yo, that lumen's doing your bits, bro. I just love how every like Muslim country has prayer rooms. Every institution, every establishment, every airport is just Islamic, and there's deen. Alhamdulillah. Let's go pray. Alright guys, we're at Villaggio Mall. Let's go inside. So this is the mall with like the river in the middle, and then you'll see like the river's in the middle, like a lake in the middle, and some like fake skies. Yo, we're on. What are you saying? Dinner is officially served. Had a bit of lunch, well, late lunch, dinner, whatever you want to call it. Did some shopping. I had to get some swimming shorts because I didn't have swimming shorts. So now we're just gonna go to the masjid to pray Isha and then call it a day. Might visit the Pearl and then call it a night, inshallah. But not too much activities compared to yesterday. I woke up with a bit of pain in my leg and in my neck, so we're gonna call it. But I think tomorrow we've got, well, we're gonna do desert safari tomorrow. That's the end of the day pretty much. Now we just had some boba tea and we're just chilling in the Pearl. It's basically rich ends in it. So here's where you're gonna see the Mustangs, the Dodges, the G-Wagons, the Lamborghinis. It's where all the wealthy people come. But if you just look at the view behind me, we have basically the dock and pretty much the cityscape of Qatar. Oh, here we have Qadri. Yeah man, beautiful scenes. Astaghfirullah with the music, but we Gucci. But that's it for part 1 guys. If you did enjoy the video, do leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and inshallah I will see you guys in the next video in part 2. Assalamu alaikum.